Hello students, today I am going to discuss on the topic formal letters on a given situation. Now what is formal letters on a given situation? It means you will be given a situation and you have to write the letter based on that particular situation. Your words and all the things that you relate in that particular letter should be very related to that situation. Now already you are introduced to letter to the editor. Now today I am going to deal with business letters. So let's start the class. There are three business letters: letter of placing order, letter of complaint, and letter of inquiry. First, let's look at letter of placing order. Sample question. Are Tanya Tanuj, new hostelier in Supreme Public School, New Delhi. You are unable to visit the market to purchase your books due to COVID-19. In this regard, place an order of your textbooks through home delivery service from the Readers Hub Publishing House, CP, New Delhi. Also ask for students' discount on your purchase. You start with the sender's address, Supreme Public School, New Delhi. Then leave a gap and write the date in full form, 18 August 2020. Then leave a gap and write the receiver's address, the sales manager, Readers Hub Publishing House, CP, New Delhi. Dear Sir, salutation, you have to leave a gap and write Dear Sir. You can write the subject after the receiver's address, or you can write below Dear Sir. Both the ways are correct. Dear Sir, subject, placement of order for NCERT text of standard 10th. I am a student of class 10 from Supreme Public School, New Delhi. I am happy to place an order for the textbooks from your reputed bookstore. As it's lockdown and am unable to visit the bookstore, I request you to kindly send the following books and notebooks through your home delivery service. Next, you have to make a box with 3 columns here. In the first column, name of the items. The second, number of items. Then brand. Instead of brand here, you can write publisher because we are talking about books. Mention the names of the books and number of items. Then the publisher, NCERT. Then social, whatever books, number of books, 4, and NCERT. Now you need notebooks, so long exercise notebook, single line, how many, 6, and the publisher is Supreme. Now finally you wind up, conclude with all the items should be in good condition, well bound and packed properly. The items must be delivered within 2 days of the issue of the letter. Kindly offer a student's discounts as has been the practice of your store. Now instead of items you can write books here. Finally you conclude with yours faithfully and write your full name. Let's start with letter of complaint. Sample question. You are Manisha of Central Road, New Delhi. You bought a mobile phone from Samtech Digital House, New Delhi. After 1 week of its purchase, the handset shows distinct failure in battery backup and picture clarity. Write a letter of complaint requesting for quick customer service and replacement of the handset. A glimpse of your complaint letter. You start with the sender's address, Central Road, New Delhi. Leave a gap, write the date, 18 August 2020. Leave a gap, write the receiver's address, the sales manager, Samtech Digital House, New Delhi. Leave a gap, write the salutation, Dear Sir. Then leave a gap and write the subject, complaint against a defective mobile handset. Body of the letter. I bought a Samtech mobile handset from your showroom on 10th August 2020. Receipt number 168. The phone has a warranty of 3 years and a guarantee card valid up to 10th August 2021. I regret to inform you that the phone has developed technical issues in battery functioning and picture clarity. Since it is still in its warranty period, you are requested to replace it immediately. An early and appropriate action will be highly appreciated. You wind up, yours faithfully, Manish or Manisha. Finally, letter of enquiry. Sample question. You intend to use your time meaningfully and join a 3 months online certificate course to develop your skills in creative writing during COVID-19 lockdown. You found an institution called International Language Academy situated in Chandigarh, Punjab. The institution specializes in teaching certificate courses in creative writing, script writing, and other language courses. Write a letter of enquiry in about 100 to 120 words addressed to the administrator in charge of the institute seeking clarification about the timings, duration, staff, and other necessary details for joining the institute. You are Arnav Arnita, Capri Road, New Delhi. To start with the sender's address, Capri Road, New Delhi. Leave a gap, then the date 21st August 2020, then leave a gap, salutation, dear sir, then subject, inquiry for a certificate course in creative writing. Body of the letter. I am a student of class 10 and had just finished my boards. I am interested in joining one of your online courses to develop my creative writing skills. As lockdown is extended for another 3 months, I want to use this time pursuing this interest. Kindly send me the following details: duration, fee structure, faculty, exam pattern, timings. So you wind up with kindly furnish other details necessary for the course. Eagerly waiting for an early reply. Yours faithfully, Arnav Arnita.